Welcome to KidloLand, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Tap the shape with 3 angles. Good try! Perfect! Tap the shape with 5 angles. You can do it! Have another go! You did it! Tap the shape with 4 angles. Have another go! You're a quick learner! Yay! Tap the shape with 3 angles. Good try! You can do it! Perfect! Tap the shape with 4 angles. Cool! Tap the shape with 5 angles. Good answer! You did it! Tap the shape with 3 angles. Uh-oh! Very good! Tap the shape with 4 angles. Look carefully! You can do it! You did it! Tap the shape with 6 angles. Oops! You're a quick learner! Fantastic!